right, you guys, I don't know about you, but we're halfway through Christmas break and these kids have more laundry than God made our washers and dryers to do in just a couple weeks, especially when you were sick right before Christmas. And then it's like you just have more because you were already behind. And so here I am with mountains of laundry everywhere, all over the place. And you know what? I came across this little fun fact beginning of December and needed to do something about it. So did you know that there's been about 8,500 cases, almost 8,500 cases reported to the U.S. Disease Poison Control, and that's just for kids that have ingested the Tide Pods. That's scary. Like, that's a lot. Too many, all right? And I'm just glad that my kids haven't gotten into it. So in order to help keep that going where we're not getting into Tide Pods, and with the massive amounts of laundry I have to do, because let's be honest, Tide Pods, awesome. Who doesn't love a Tide Pod? You grab and go, right? Well, the lid, I literally always lose the lid. Always. I don't even know where they go. So anyways, I went onto Amazon, found this amazing little adorable cute chick container from Sunpenny. So it actually has latches that hinge open and closed, obviously. We can go ahead, we can fit 144 is what my container had of the dryer sheets. Fit right on top, it'll lift up, and look at that little pot of gold. Tide Pods. Woo! So you can fit about 100 Tide Pods in here at once. My container was 76, but online it says 100, and I believe it because there's still plenty of room to add more. So if I were you, I would go right onto Amazon. If you have little kiddos and you need to keep them safe, Sunpenny is the answer. Happy holidays, happy new year. Good luck with that laundry.